Persistent hiccups and nerve damage. Think hiccups are just an annoyance? During cancer treatment, they can be a serious warning sign. You brush them off for a day, then two. But this can signal nerve irritation or a reaction to your medicine. According to a fact check by Persly, the medical AI, this is based on standard supportive care guidance for oncology patients. If your hiccups last longer than 48 hours, call your oncology team. It's not normal, and they have medications that can help. Don't just wait for them to pass. Have you ever had a side effect that surprised you?